For this problem, we first need to know what the graph of a basic exponential function looks like. Please remember that the exponential function is when you have a number as a base, in this case 2, raised to the power of x. Now, the main features of an exponential function is that it crosses the point 0, 1, and it gets closer and closer to 0 as you go to the left of the x-axis, as you go to negative infinity, and as you go to positive infinity, it keeps on increasing. So notice this is the basic shape of a general exponential function. Now, in the problem, we started with f of x equals 2 to the x. When we add 1 to that function, so now we have f of x equals 2 to the x plus 1, notice that there is a vertical shift. So this plus 1 moves the red graph 1 unit up. So now we have the blue graph, the blue curve for f of x equals 2 to x plus 1. This is what we're given. Now the problem asks us what happens when we put a negative on the whole thing, on the whole function. So keep in mind now that negative on the function, on the very outside of the function, flips the blue curve over the x-axis. So for our problem, we would end up with this green curve, and that would be the right answer. So to summarize, first you need to know the general shape of a basic exponential function. The plus 1 shifts the curve 1 unit up, and the negative on the very outside flips the curve over the x-axis.